From parent to therapist, helping your child while you wait to see a therapist. Hi, I'm Dr. Stacy Haynes, and I've developed this 5-video course to help parents to be able to help their child. Right now, there is a wait list. If you call for mental health services, you're maybe looking at 5, 6, 7 months before you can even get access to a therapist for your child. This course is going to help parents to learn where are all the therapists and even how to find a therapist. If you've called around, you know this can be extremely difficult. But there are ways that you can find therapists in your area with one search. I'm also going to teach parents to help them to navigate wait lists, how to find the right provider, and to look for the right credentials for your child. We're going to review in session 2 simple daily changes. Parents, you're going to walk away with actionable items, things that you can do now while you're waiting for a therapist. And these are recommendations that as a therapist for children, we recommend. Things like changing routine, looking at diet, increasing natural socialization, mindfulness, ways that you can help your child throughout their day. And parents, many of us come into mental health seeking a therapist for managing disrespect, disruption, and dysregulation. In this session, you'll hear me share some really useful strategies, things like problem solving, ways to get ahead of the moment, even defining defiance. What's your definition? Understanding your child's temperament and your parenting style. In this session, parents will walk away with strategies to help manage those difficult moments. If your child is already diagnosed, we have a session for you in this course. Many families have already sought out an assessment and evaluation, and recommendations were made. If your child has a diagnosis of ADHD, autism, depression, anxiety, in this session I'll go through interventions and strategies that therapists would recommend based on those diagnoses. Not all children are alike just because they have the same diagnosis, but these tips and strategies will be a good place for you to start while you wait for a mental health therapist. And my favorite part of the day, school and homework. Helping you parents with strategies, we'll review what school plans might be needed for your child. We'll review homework tips and ways that you can help your child to minimize frustration when it's time to do homework. We'll assess things like math and ELA, the differences in those struggles that kids typically have, and again, tips and strategies that you can help your child. This course is geared for folks who are on waiting lists or thinking about mental health services for your child. This is not intended to replace mental health treatment. And so parents, again, for the price of a therapy session, you can access strategies, tips, and resources that you can get started right away. Within our course, in addition to our videos, we have handouts, checklists, even resources that you can find online for additional support to help your child while you wait. You can visit drstacyhayneslpc.com to get started with your course today.